What's up, guys? Zegrix here, back for another video. Today we'll be going to another abandoned house. We're currently on the way there. We're on a rail trail right now. We are in Ohio, Eastern Ohio, of course, since that's where all the places I explore is at. It's like 63 degrees outside. It's at 11:41 a.m. I've been posting this house on Facebook, and a lot of you guys have been curious about it, so I think that's it over there. I'm trying to see where's the entrance at. Yeah, so if you're one of my friends and you guys want to know how to get here, because a lot of you guys have been asking me, just take the rail trail and park all the way down the road. You walk up the rail trail and there's an entrance right here. You'll see it between these two trees. That's how I found out about this place, so I'm gonna head up over here. This house is actually pretty cool. I just know it's built around the 1800s. Even though I looked up the property search, it said 1900, but apparently they placed a toilet in the living room, so I guess that's where they thought the place was built in 1900. You know, you see there's no posted signs anywhere, so I guess you can at least assume that it's safe to be here. Well, obviously not. Ouch. Back when I came here in the summer, it was all overgrown. It was pretty hard to get up here in the summer. But yeah, you see the house right up there. It's a pretty cool place to check out if you're in the area. Well, if you're my friend and you're in the area, because, you know, I can't really just give out spots on the whim, so. And just letting you know, I did forget my gloves, so I'm going barehanded today. I apologize about that. Okay, let's see what changed here. Yeah, nothing much has changed. Not really surprised. I don't know if that window was boarded up. Oh well. Yeah, here's the house. Got some hair in my mouth. Okay. One thing I like about this house is I like how the window frames are green. You know, I don't really see a lot of houses with green window frames. And it's just all, I'm guessing the original color was white. That's my only guess. It was white and green with the two chimneys. Looks like they did some rework on the hood right there at one point. Of course, the entrance is open because I highly doubt anyone has been here since the last time I was here, which was about, I think it's about like a few months. Let me just put this in here. Okay. There's also a VW Bug, Volkswagen Bug, and I see another car over there in the distance. This place is kind of packed, so we might be here for a while. I know there's some old trucks over there, an old barn. Let's give us a little tour around the house first. outside. So go over here. Oh, 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 oh. My hat came off. That's something that doesn't happen. My hat just flew off. Okay, okay. Don't think you guys can see it from here. Probably not. So yeah. Let's take our time with this place. I know this place is really historical. I'm not going to try to dig through too much stuff. I think it's been abandoned since like, I think it's from like 70s. Probably around the 70s or 80s. I like the design of those on the trim. It does kind of suck how this place fell into disrepair. Trying to be careful not to fall into a well or something, because there is one right here. So there's a small little extension, I think. That could be extension. Well, it obviously is. Let's get us another view from the side. This place has been deserted for a long time. It's like a whole big tire, tractor tire. So yeah, the original color was definitely white. It was white and green. See how they put bricks right there. I'm guessing that was to add more support. I'm not sure. Interesting. All right, so guess that's old fence. I forgot to explore the entire place, so because everything here was severely overgrown. Like that car wasn't even there last time I was here, because I couldn't even see it. So let's go explore the outside first, then we'll head on the inside. I know most of you guys who messaged me were more excited to see the Volkswagen Bug, even though I'm not really a bug guy. It's an old wheel. Interesting. So yeah, I'm not really such a big Volkswagen guy, because I'm mostly into the Asian cars. I know you guys like old American cars, so I see another car up there. So there's more than two cars. Oh, there's another car. Okay. I didn't get to see all these cars. Well, let's check them out. So I got all the time today, but I don't want to waste your guys' time. Those cars sunk deep in the ground. Holy crap. That car sunk deep. It's definitely been here for a long time. You can't even open those doors up. Yeah, I'm not going to touch that stuff. Yeah, I can't see in there. It's definitely Chevrolet. That's a Chevy. It's a pickup truck here. Holy crap, that is pretty cool. Let's get around these thorns. That's why I brought this for, so I gotta fight these freaking things. That's an old, oh, I think this is, yeah, that's an old Dodge. Yeah, definitely an old Dodge. Let's step on these. Make sure to bring my different pants, so I ain't opening. It smells bad in here. Wow. This is my first time seeing this, so I was only seeing one car, expecting one car, but there's actually more. These freaking plants are in my way. These thorns, I hate these thorns so much. Literally my worst enemy when I've been exploring are thorns. The Oldsmobile. Oh, you can see the engine from here. There's a carburetor. I don't know if this will run or not. Probably will. There's to see two more over here. I don't see any other vehicles. No. I'm surprised this spot's not well known about. Guessing this is a Chevy C10. I'm pretty sure. I can't tell what this one is. These have been sitting here for a very long time. Oh, it's a Cadillac. Oh yeah, this is definitely a Cadillac. No, this is Chevy. Yeah, this is a Chevy Bel Air. I'm pretty sure. Chevrolet Bel Air. I got the thorns in my face again. Get the, ouch, my thorns. It's all dirty. Ouch, 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 ouch. Okay, I'm getting stuck. Ouch. Ouch, ouch. That hurts. So yeah, it's an old Chevy Bel Air. Got another C10. Well, no, just one C10 actually. Got a C10 over here. Ouch. Thorns, thorns, ouch. And last but not least, should be the VW Bug. Ow, 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 ow. I'm so glad I brought these other pants, because if I brought my other pants, because that would hurt a lot. I'm already getting cuts all over my legs, permanent scars on my legs from going through so many thorns and crap. I just got cloudy for some reason. I hate these pricks. Plants. Dodge this. We're gonna go over here and fight these plants this way. Fight these plants like this. Yep. Out my way. Move out my way. Okay. Yep. It's the one that everyone was going crazy for. Is the Volkswagen bug. And someone was trying to restore it. I don't think that's likely possible. It's sunk straight into the ground. There's rust right there. Yeah, all these vehicles have been sitting for a very long time. And I highly doubt they will actually start. Pretty sure the engine is in the back. Or is it in the front? I'm not sure. Let's try to open this. Oh yeah, it's definitely in the back, I believe. Close that down. I'm not the first person to open up that hood. Oh no, actually it's in the front. Oh well. You know, I don't really know much about these bugs, so, you know, I can't even open it anyways, because, yeah, this branch is in the way. Well, it's in the way, I can't pick this up, so, I guess, can't do much about that. But anyways, I know you guys have been wanting to see the house now, so, let's, ouch. Dang it. Okay, sorry about that. I just got stuck, apparently. So let's get on into this house. One more view from the outside. I do like this house. I like the design of it. I have a face mask. I don't think I'm going to be wearing it. I've been suggested to wear face masks and stuff, but every time I wear one, it's hard for people to hear me. This house is dirty, just packed with boxes and stuff. There's boxes and boxes. It smells bad. I'm used to the smell now. There's this right here. Crockett set, I think. That's what you call it. It's just sitting here on the outside. Interesting. Put this down. I wonder why no one has taken this yet. Maybe it has value, I'm not sure. I'm gonna leave this outside and get my flashlight out so you guys can see. Get my flashlight out. Alright, got my flashlight. I think I'll be back in here again. It's quite something for me to say. there's smell. A must. It goes upstairs. So all these old newspapers, I'm not going to be digging too much through these, but let's at least try to get a date off of them. Oh yeah, this is 1989 on it. So I guess this place was abandoned in 1989. Okay. Yep, I don't think we need a flashlight for this. Watch my step. I don't know if there's a basement in here. There's an old Frigidaire dishwasher, I think. No, not dishwasher. Just a washer or dryer. Oh yeah, that's a dryer. Oops. It's an old stove. I still don't get why the bathroom is in the living room. There's just a lot of logic behind here that makes no sense to me. The bathroom is in the living room? It's sinking, it's sinking. Just watch my step. The whole floor above me is sinking. This is really dangerous. Hope you guys can see everything. Right now I see a toilet, tub, this old freaking stove. Like from the previous house I did, there was an old stove. And there's a old floor freezer. What is this? This looks like it's from the 1950s. From the looks of it. Kelvinator. It's called Kelvinator. Interesting. Don't know if I should lift this up or not. I'm probably not going to do that. There's just lots of newspapers everywhere. Newspapers. 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 Let's get going. Don't know if you guys see, it's a shame for me to be stepping over all this stuff, but I have no choice. It's another big freezer, floor freezer. That's a big freezer right here. You see the name on it. White King. Something I never heard of. White King Custom 735. And here's a room I can't go in, unfortunately. Yeah, there is, I don't know if there's a basement in here, but I can't go in here. There's a piano though. So I can turn up the brightness on here. Yeah, going in here is pretty dangerous. This house has completely fell into disrepair. Don't know if you can save this. I might try to go on the other side and hook around there. I'm not sure yet. Probably. But let's get going. Actually, is there? Oh, there is a basement. I don't know if it's safe for me to go down there. It's, yeah, I might get killed if I go down there. I don't trust basements. Oof. Oh, there's so much stuff in here, it's crazy. There's literally so much stuff. It's just filled with boxes of everything from newspapers. I don't know why this person collected so much newspapers. Holy crap. I do like the trim though. That's pretty nice. There's a lot of old books. I'll try to look through a couple of those on the shelf. See some paintings, light bulb, chimney, not chimney, what am I saying? Fireplace. Here's the old fireplace. I'm about to lose my balance. I'm trying to show you guys the books. This thing's in my way. Wow. I think you guys can see it without the flashlight. Teaching Science Through Discovery. The Gunner's Bible. The Mammals. Complete Fishing to Across North America. Guide to Fishing. Rifles and Shotguns. The Great Jungles. New Philadelphia, which is kind of close from here, I think. Some other kinds of books. A shotgun book. Well, this person collected a lot of books. You know, my hands are kind of, you know, I don't know. I should have brought my gloves. I hate myself for not bringing my gloves. I'll put this right here. I'll try to at least dig through one book. I'll just try one book. It has mold all over it. Put this in the light. This is a book of industry, that's all I know. Yeah. Commerce and Industry. I'm gonna try to put this back. Yeah, never mind, I can't put it back. Put it right here. Anyways, let's get going. I can't show you guys all the books, so there's literally just so much stuff in here. It's hard for me to balance while holding a GoPro and a flashlight. Balance. Okay. Some comics. Puretron. Some sort of weird doodap device I never seen before. Oh, it smells so bad. Ugh. I'm more used to this smell, but how am I gonna do this? I think we're almost up there. There's literally just so much stuff. It's hard for me to hold this. That was a nightmare. And my flashlight's flickering. That was a true nightmare. I think my flashlight's dying. Okay. So let's go through this room first. Old dresser. Oh crap, that's an animal. Oh no, I don't know if that's real or not, but there is an animal right there. Let's just try, just ignore that for now. Oh, crap. Oh. This is probably the worst house. It's not like the worst house I've explored, but like the most packed so far. It's just full of boxes and stuff. I wish it was more cleaner, but I guess we can't do nothing about that. There's one more room over there. And there's steps. We're gonna swing over to this room right now. I heard someone. There's mold on the poop. Oh my gosh. I shouldn't be breathing this in. At least there's no asbestos in here. So yeah. There's one room right here. I see an old pipe bed. I cannot go in this room right here. This room is really dangerous. If you guys noticed on the bottom, it was collapsing from the top. If I go in here, I will pretty much sink and fall through the floor. So I don't want to risk myself going through this room. Separate room, so you see how the bed is sinking right there. So if I step over there, I go poop and go straight down and get hurt. And I don't want that, so here's what you can see from over here. This was definitely the kids' room. See all the bright colors and stuff. There's an old doll on the floor. Alright. Got one more room. Try to attack the first floor. This is kind of disrespectful, but I have to do it. I'm sorry to the owner who didn't put no trespassing signs up. Slip my foot through here. All right. This is the second to final room. A lot of old clothing. That's interesting. Watch my step, because I have no clue if this floor will sink with my weight. I think I'm only like 110, 106, I don't know. Transfer my weight carefully up here. yeah. This place is doomed for sure. There's just a lot of stuff here. I don't want to go digging through it. Hopefully you guys can see it. Everything here is just like pretty vintage, thrashed, thrown around. Animals, critters getting in here and whatnot. I definitely see the old pipe bed, so I think there was definitely an attic at one point. It's completely gone. I'll see if I can risk my life for this. My car is like a mile away. Do baby steps. See if I can swing myself around without going down. That floor was definitely sagging. Right there, it was definitely sagging. Let's try to swing myself. See, I want to get into this room. I'll step on this can. I've never, got to see this room right here. This is the room I didn't get to see. I'm gonna try to open up that door, so I want to walk back. Well, if I can't get it open, then that's oh well. Wow, another Kelvinator. This place was banned in 1990, apparently. I thought it was 70s. I'm gonna try to get that door open. Yeah, no date. 87, 88 on this one. I don't know, I think that's a bag. Is that sugar? Looks interesting. An old toaster, fridge, stove. Don't know what that is. Old sink. There's definitely no basement here on this side, so I should be good. Yeah, old sink. Yeah, I think that's it really of this house. Let's try to open up this door because I don't know if I want to sacrifice my soul to go back there. Because I'm not trying to go back through that saggy floor. Yeah, it's jammed. I can't get out here. We're going to have to go back, unfortunately. I have to go back up here and go through the saggy floor. I should be fine. Stepping on glass. I could just... No. That's interesting. Here's piano. Still works. Alright. I'm gonna get out of here and head outside. Let's hope I don't die from this, so I shall see you guys in a bit. Alright, so I'm outside right now. The moment I came outside, there was a dump truck in that driveway. They were dumping some stuff. I'm guessing that's the owner. So and now that I know this land is kind of still active, but this house is inactive, I'm probably gonna get out of here as fast as I can. So I'm gonna end the video from here. I hope you guys enjoyed this place. I will probably be busy next week with fixing my car, getting my car inspected, because I live in Pennsylvania and Pennsylvania is a terrible state for me. So like and subscribe for more. I'll be heading out now, so this is Zekrix. I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.